Mga updates sa Strait of Hormuz mga tol, tatlong US warships ang tinarget ng Iran. Pag-usapan natin to mga tol, samahan ninyo ako.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on a block. First time I seen ice was a
Mula sa Fox News mga tol, incoming fire. Tatlong US warships daw ang tinarget ng Iran dito sa Strait of Hormuz. So ang tanong, nagsisimula na naman ba ang mga bakbakan nila? Totoo bang nagsisimula na naman ulit ang gera nila? Pag-usapan natin to, itong mga maiinit na balita ngayon. Bago natin to simulan, huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe dito po sa ating YouTube channel kung bago ka pa lamang dito. At kung ikaw naman ay nanonood sa ating FB page, syempre huwag mo rin kalimutan mag-follow and like. Maraming salamat sa laging nakasubaybay sa atin at sa mga nanonood ng balita at nagbibigay din ng reaksyon. No, samahan ninyo ako mga tol, pag-usapan natin to.
Jennifer Griffin, she's reporting live out of Washington with the news for us. Jen?
Hi, Sandra. Well, Fox News has learned that the 3 U.S. warships targeted by Iran Thursday faced nonstop incoming fire from Iranian drones and missiles as they traversed 500 miles through the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz. That fact has not previously been reported.
So hindi pa daw nare-report noon, no? Etong mga warships ng Amerika ay hinarap ang walang humpay na pag-atake mula rito daw sa mga drone ng Iran at saka sa mga dito mismo galing sa Iran. So ibig sabihin, mga tol, talaga nagbabakbakan sila, no? Bagamat may ceasefire, no, bagamat merong tinatawag na tigil putukan, pero ito yung report ngayon. Ito sabi rito sa Fox News. As facing non-stop fire from Iranian drone at saka yung iba pang missile ng Iran. Ayan, balikan natin.
100 miles through the Persian Gulf, drones and missiles as they traversed 500 miles through the Persian Gulf and the Strait of Hormuz.
Drones and missiles.
That fact has not previously been reported. We also now know that it was one F-18 Super Hornet that struck the 2 empty oil tankers trying to break the blockade earlier today.
Tapos eto naman, isang empty oil tanker ang pinatamaan naman ng US dahil sinubukan nitong tumawid doon sa US blockade. Kahit na hinaharang siya ng Amerika is nagpatuloy pa rin siya, no, bago pa siya umabot doon sa Iranian port.
CENTCOM released this video of the MT Sea Star 3 and MT Sevda being struck and now on fire in the Gulf of Oman. They were hit before they could reach Iranian ports.
You know, they were hit before they could reach Iranian port. So papunta to sa Iranian port. Eh di ba nga yung US blockade naka-focus yun sa mga barko na papunta at galing sa Iranian port.
On Thursday, 3 American guided missile destroyers, the USS Truxtun, USS Rafael Peralta, and USS Mason, were transiting south into the Gulf of Oman when they came under attack. The attack from Iran lasted longer than we first knew. In response, the U.S. struck a port on Iran's Keshem Island and military targets in Bandar Abbas, another port city crucial to Iran's oil export economy. The airstrikes targeted missile launchers as well as Iran's Bandar Kargan naval checkpoint in Manab.
So talagang bakbakan pala talaga sila ngayon.
Of course we fired back at them. They were shooting at us. That's what I would expect to do. Only stupid countries don't shoot back when you're shot at. And we're not a stupid country.
The strikes on
Only stupid country daw. Only stupid country lang daw mga kapatid, yung binabaril ka na, tinitira ka na, pero hindi ka pa rin nagre-response. Bigla ko may naalalang bansa na binubomba na hindi nagre-response . Well, hindi naman siguro tayo yun mga tol, no? Wag naman po sana, no, na tayo ganun din.
Iranian territory came after the president abruptly reversed course and suspended efforts to open the Strait of Hormuz that he announced Sunday. The U.S. strikes came 3 days after Iran fired 15 ballistic and cruise missiles at UAE's Fujairah port on Monday, eliciting anger from Gulf countries after Secretary Hegseth and General Dan Kane told a Pentagon press briefing Tuesday that the attack did not rise to the level of breaking the ceasefire.
Okay. Hindi naman daw umabot doon sa level, etong mga pag-atake, etong palitan ng atake ng Amerika at ng Iran, ay hindi naman daw umabot sa level na masisira na ang ceasefire. Pero saan nakakita ng ceasefire? Tigil putukan. pero nagpapalitan ng atake. Ang sabi nga dito ni Mark Rubio, gumanti lang sila. Tinitira sila eh. And only stupid country lang daw mga tol ang hindi gaganti kahit tinitira sila. Bigla ko nga ding naalala, merong mga bansa o merong bansa na kahit wina-water cannon na hindi pa rin gumaganti kasi ayaw palalain ang sitwasyon mga tol. Diba?
No, the ceasefire is not over. We expected there would be some churn at the beginning, which happened.
What I'll say is it's more low harassing fire right now. It's still pretty low level kinetics at this point in time.
Okay, low level.
This angered Gulf partners, causing them to halt permission for U.S. warplanes to use Saudi and Kuwaiti airspace, forcing President Trump to get involved. The decision was later reversed after a phone call from the president.
Okay mga kapatid, tulad nga nung sinabi natin sa mga nakaraan nating reaction video, wala tayong pinapanigan, okay? Gusto ko lang ulit linawin, wala po tayong pinapanigan sa kanila, Amerika o Iran. Ang sana kahilingan natin o ang gusto natin, malamang hindi lang ako, ng marami sa mga taong nabubuhay sa daigdig is matapos na sana. Diba? Etong kaguluhang nangyayari dyan sa Middle East, no? At maibalik na sa kung ano man tayo before. Mahirap na ngayong lagay na yun eh. Mahirap na ngayong buhay na yun eh. Pero mas pipiliin na natin yun kesa sa nangyayari ngayon. Ikaw, anong masasabi mo? Comment ka na lamang sa ibaba.